In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a workflow in N8N in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to streamline your automation or explore all the possibilities N8N offers, importing a workflow is an essential step. First, open your web browser and go to the official N8N website. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions during the process. Once you are on the site, navigate to your workflow editor, which is the hub for managing all your automations. Ensure you're logged in and have the necessary permissions to import workflows. In the workflow editor, look at the top navigation bar and locate the 3-dot icon, often called More Options. This is where you'll find the import feature. Clicking it reveals two options, import from URL and import from file. Choose the option depending on where your workflow's JSON file is stored. If it's hosted online on platforms like GitHub, use import from URL and paste the full link into the field provided. If the JSON file is on your computer, choose import from file, browse your directories and select the workflow file you want to import. Once you've entered the URL or selected your file, N8N will start importing the workflow. The process is usually quick, but the time can vary depending on file size and internet speed. After the import is complete, you'll see the workflow appear in your editor. Take a moment to review it. Confirm all parameters are correct and make any adjustments needed for your project. Now, your workflow is ready to use and you can start automating tasks efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully imported a workflow into N8N, boosting your automation capabilities. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on N8N and workflow automation.